don't know for how long, but we're gonna try and make it last. So the story behind these, I was on vacation in Jamaica with my family, and we went to visit my cousin at a dirt track or whatever. So I went to run in these, and it rained shortly after, so I was stuck with these. Currently, we're stuck in quarantine, so I have nothing better to do, but we're gonna try and fix these up today. Now we're gonna take off the shoelaces and then knock off some of the dirt from the shoe. Now we're gonna take this brush and knock off some of the dirt if it comes off. Put your solution, whatever you use to clean your shoes. I like to mix it around. And then you go in with your soft brush and you get started. If you have a medium brush or a harder brush than a softer bristle brush, to get more of the dirt out from deep within. So I had a lot of customers ask what was advanced cleaning and a regular cleaning. So regular cleaning is when I just clean the outsides and the bottoms and that's it. But the advanced cleaning is, as you see, you can see the dirt on the inside. So advanced cleaning is me going in and actually cleaning the dirt with my own hands and then putting the shoe into the machine after. And that's why it's more expensive than the regular cleaning. So if you want to see the price, keep in mind I'm not open yet, but if you want to see the prices, you can check that out. I'll be using a small brush and I'm gonna go in on the soles. Not lightly, but a little. You get what I mean.
Tracks.
I actually forgot to put in the shoe tree, so we're gonna do that now. This is an 11, so.
Tracks.
Now we're gonna get ready to put them in the machine and then start the laces. Now you put it on a small load and make sure the fingers on cold. You don't want to have it on hot. And you start. I like to add a little bit of bean for the smell inside the shoe. Just a little bit. Different. I have a weird way of cleaning laces. So first you want to at least pre-treat them. Because they're white, and you want to make sure that you get them back as possibly white. You get an empty bottle of water, well, an empty bottle, and you fill it up with hot water. You put the shoelaces in. Fill it up about halfway with hot water. And this way it just works better for me. Put the other shoelace in. Okay, so now, since the shoelace is white, you could add bleach to it. This is bleach. A little bit of dishwashing liquid, and awesome. And now all you have to do, put the top on, and as you can see, the dirt's already coming off, and you just shake that. You can keep doing this as many times as you want to.
Look, yeah, who's at the door? Turn up the lights, don't let them see you. You're wasting my time, stop calling my phone, I don't really need you. Got Big Bro on the phone, so do it alone, you niggas are see-through. Put your life in the line, we're going to war, demons and angels. I'm not saving no money, I gotta cash out. It's the root of all evil. He play with my money, I'm hunting him down, this shit could get evil. Head tight, man down. Blood on the floor, he no longer an issue. He no longer an issue. Yeah. Yo, who's at the door? You niggas is froze. I'm coming to get you. Yellow tape all around, choke on the ground. Heads down, double back around. Don't become a target. Right here, the demons go retarded. Silence on it. Knock, knock, who's there? The Reaper's calling.